Here is vegetable paneer cheese sandwiches for you. Here I am taking 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of firm yogurt or also called as Greek yogurt, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic. Now mix everything together. Now add pinch of salt and mix it again. Keep this aside. Now let's prepare our stuffing. Here goes in 1 cup chopped colored capsicum, 1 medium sized chopped onion, 1 teaspoon coriander chutney, few chopped mint leaves and few coriander leaves. Mix everything. Half a teaspoon chaat masala, half a cup paneer, that is cottage cheese. Now gently mix the stuffing, ensuring the paneer pieces hold the shape. Apply the butter on both bread slices, followed by our prepared mayonnaise mixture. Now place our stuffing on both bread slices, followed by mozzarella cheese, or you can choose your own choice of cheese. Apply the butter on the bread slice. It is totally up to you, but if you apply, it tastes good. On top as well. Now bring them onto the grill pan. Toast them on a low flame. Before turning them, final coat of butter. Flip them on the other side with gentle care because the stuffing should not come out. Look at the color of the sandwich. Yum, yum, yum. And super tasty. After your cooking is done, let them little cool down on a grill stand. You will have a super crunchy and super tasty sandwich is ready for you to enjoy. For many more recipes, subscribe.